What's the meaning of blatantly? Blatantly. Blatantly.
Blatantly. Blatantly. Blatantly is an adverb that is used to describe something that is done in a very obvious or shameless manner, without trying to be subtle or discreet. When someone behaves blatantly, it means they are doing something in such a way that it cannot be ignored or denied, and they may not even care about the consequences. For example, a politician who takes a bribe in front of a crowd of reporters is acting blatantly. Similarly, someone who cheats on a test with the answers written on their arm in plain sight is being blatantly dishonest. The term blatantly implies a lack of concern for any potential repercussions.